Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video, and for today we will unbox something from Raptor Case Philippines. They didn't send this case this time. I bought this case for our own use, for our shoot, for our travel, and hopefully magamit natin siya very soon. So right now we will unbox this Raptor Case 65,000. I don't know if it's air. Let's see here. I think air. I'm really not sure. But the reason I bought this case is just one reason. Just one reason. Aside from it being waterproof, dust proof, and weather sealed, I bought this case for the main purpose of having a wheel multi-directional wheel. multi-directional multi-directional wheel. Out of the box, after you open the box, you'll see the case right away. So here's the case. There you go. Here's how big it is. So ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan na it will cover up your whole body, but it's enough. I mean, big enough for our gear, camera, lights. I think I can also fit a tripod here. So again, I bought this case for the main purpose of having this for multi-directional wheels. So para pagka nasa airport tayo or we do travel, we can easily maneuver our case. So okay, let's see what's inside the case. So guys, this is the case itself. So the size is, it will appear on the screen. And here's what's inside our Raptor Case 65,000 air with organizer. As you can see, when you buy this case, you will get this already built in and ready to use. So pwede nyo na lagyan ng kung ano-ano mang accessories or equipment nyo for your shoot or for your travel. And also, we have this pre-cutted foam wherein you can use for your gear. So we can actually customize this foam for us to fit our gear. And very nice, since when you buy this, you have actually all the foams inside it. So walang space na natitira. And what's good about this is it has this somehow another added cushion for your gear. You can put this one on the upper part or in the lower part for your gear to be protected at all time. That's what's inside our Raptor case. I'm very excited to use this one for our upcoming shoot. Yes, upcoming shoot. So there you have it. Again, I mainly bought this Raptor Case 5000 Air at Altitude Digital and Raptor Case Philippines, mainly for this. I know I'm against the light, so let's adjust. Okay, there you go. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I know it's a little bit abrupt to unbox a new case after Raptor Case sent us. So, kung di nyo maitatanong, pinag-giveaway na natin yung isa nating Raptor Case, which is the Raptor Case 5000 Air, which Raptor Philippines sent to us. So, I'm happy that we've already bought our own Raptor Case, and hopefully madagdagan siya since meron pa tayong mga ibang equipment na kailangan na protected kapag dinadala during our shoot. So that's all guys for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you on our next one. And if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, please do consider clicking the like and share button. And also if you want to learn those things, please do consider subscribing here on our channel. If you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, I do have a membership link inside our description box, and also we have our Buy Me a Coffee site link in our description box below. So that's all, guys. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next one. Bye. Peace.